A carrot orange ginger juice recipe makes a very healthy drink. Each ingredient offers its own set of health benefits that combine to form a drink rich in nutrients. In today's video, you'll learn a carrot orange ginger juice recipe and its benefits. Carrot orange ginger juice has great health benefits, such as 1. Increased antioxidants. Studies show that drinking carrot juice every day for 3 months improves plasma antioxidant status. So regular consumption may protect the cardiovascular system, helping to decrease the risk of diseases like heart failure. 2. Lowering high blood pressure. This juice was also found to lower systolic blood pressure. It has a similar effect that you get from reducing caffeine, regularly exercising, and quitting smoking. Amazing, right? Although it will contribute to a healthier lifestyle, drinking carrot orange ginger juice alone will not replace weekly workout benefits. 3. High in vitamin C. Consuming freshly squeezed orange juice can help increase your vitamin C intake. In one study, regular consumption of fresh orange juice helped reduce the risk of cell injury. Did you know that reducing cell injury keeps you healthier and helps reduce the risk of various diseases? 4. Effective in weight management. The other main component of this juice is ginger, which is very aromatic. Studies show that ginger water or juice helps to manage weight gain effectively. Consuming healthy juices, however, doesn't always guarantee a nourishing drink. That's why carrot orange ginger juice recipes have limited added sugars and additives. A carrot orange ginger juice recipe gives you minimal calories and plenty of room to consume other meals that incorporate added sugars. Now that you know the benefits of carrot orange ginger juice, are you ready to make some? Enjoying the video? Then give a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. To make carrot orange ginger juice, you'll need 8 fluid ounce of carrot juice, 20 fluid ounce of orange juice, 1.5 ounce of ginger knob, 2 tablespoon mint leaves, 2 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 cup of ice cubes. Here are the instructions for this recipe. 1. Wash and peel the carrots, oranges, and ginger. Cut them into appropriate sizes for the juicer feed chute. 2. Run carrots, oranges, ginger, and a tablespoon of mint through the juicer. Collect the juice in a pitcher. 3. Add sugar and stir until it completely dissolves. 4. Pour over ice and garnish it with mint leaves. 5. Serve and enjoy. Making this carrot orange ginger juice recipe is simple and easy, but there are also some things to keep in mind. Here are some tips for making carrot orange ginger juice at home. 1. Freshly squeezed juice is prone to harmful bacteria and shouldn't be kept outside the refrigerator for more than 2 hours. It's best to keep your carrot orange ginger juice refrigerated for 2 days at most. 2. Store the juice in an airtight container to avoid exposure to air for long periods. 3. Avoid exposing the juice to heat and light for lengthy periods, as this may reduce light and heat-sensitive vitamins. 4. If you find that you have too much excess juice left, transfer it into a freezer-safe jar and freeze it for up to 3 months. Any longer than that could risk a flavorless drink with minimal nutrients. Have you heard about this carrot orange ginger juice recipe? Have you tried it? If you make this carrot orange ginger juice recipe, let us know and leave a comment below. If you like the video, then give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Also, get your free ebook in the description box below, which includes my favorite recipes and natural health tips.